Hey everybody, this is Joe Bovino from Bovino Law Group, and this video is about the O-1 visa for founders or foreign entrepreneurs who found a company, who start a company in the United States, the O-1 visa. So what's the O-1 visa? The O-1 visa is for individuals who have extraordinary ability in the sciences, art, education, athletics, or business, and have been recognized nationally or internationally for those achievements. Okay, so they have extraordinary achievements and extraordinary ability. These are extraordinary individuals. But we're talking about business now, and entrepreneurs are eligible for the O-1 visa, and it might be easier than you think to qualify. That's what this video is about. So what are some basic facts about the O-1 visa that are relevant to this discussion? It's initially for 3 years if you get it, and it can be renewed potentially indefinitely. If you come here and start a business and the business is running every 3 years, you can renew it. You also have the option of at some point adjusting your status to a green card. Okay, so to permanent residency. So that's a great thing about it. It's a fantastic visa if you can get it. It requires that you work for one company in the United States. If we're talking about founders, you're going to work for your company. You can own interests in other companies, of course, in the United States or abroad, but in the United States, you need to work for the one company. No university degree is required. There's no minimum salary requirement either, although, of course, if you have those things, it's helpful. And it's basically just based on your professional accomplishments and reputation and recognition in your industry. Okay, so what are the criteria for obtaining an O-1 visa? What are the basic criteria? Well, there are 8 of them. Okay, and you only need, basically, in order to qualify, you need to have at least 3 of these 8 criteria. So I'm going to roll through the 8. Just they're in no particular order. Just keep in mind you only need to have 3. If you have more than 3, great. Okay, here we go. Number 1, awards or prizes. If you or your company have received any awards, prestigious awards or prizes, that's point number 1, or criteria number 1. If your company has received venture capital, that counts. Okay, that counts as an award or prize. But you don't need to have that. It's just super helpful. And by the way, I'll just say, if your US company is venture backed in a significant way, or if you've gone through a prestigious accelerator for startup companies in the United States, you're really well on the way toward meeting at least 3 of these requirements. Okay, number 1, awards and prizes. Number 2, membership. Membership in a prestigious accelerator for startups or some other highly selective group. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3, scholarly articles or books. Have you authored and published any scholarly articles or books in your industry? If you have, check another one off. Number 4, press. Is there any great press about you and your business in your country or internationally? It's got to be major press, not just a local newspaper, but something really good, something about you or your business. Yeah, that's number 4. Number 5, high salary or other remuneration. So what is that? Well, if you've previously received a high compensation in your industry, in some work you've done, or in your current company, US company, or if you have a significant equity interest in a venture-backed US company, so you got the venture capital and you own a lot of equity, you can check this one off too. Okay? So that's the way around the high salary thing, the money. If you've got a lot of equity in a company that's venture backed, you can get around the high salary requirement. Otherwise, you kind of need to show that you've been making some serious money. Again, this is about extraordinary people, extraordinary success, achievement. Usually people like that are doing well financially. Number 6, have you been employed in a critical or essential capacity in your business, your new business in the US or some other place? If you've got a venture-backed company, again, you're done. You're probably, you're a founder, all set. But if you haven't, if you worked in a critical role for a company that has a distinguished reputation, some other company, it's really got to be a great company. It can't just be some small thing. It's got to be a company that's doing well, and you played a major role there, that you can meet this requirement. That's number 6. Number 7, have you come up with any original contributions? Have you made any original contributions of major significance to your company or the industry as a whole? Think of, for example, do you own a patent that you came up with? Did you come up with a new computer program or software? Did you come up with a new original way of doing business in your industry, something special? It can be a lot of things, but it's got to be original. I mean, did you come up with something original? You know, you're not just another guy filling the position. You did something special. That's what this was about. Okay. And lastly, number 8, and these are again in no particular order, judging. Have you been a judge? Have you served as a judge of other startups or events or contests involving startups or entrepreneurs? Have you been a judge? Okay, that's another criteria. So those are the 8. I just ran through them in no particular order. You just need at least 3. If you've got 4 or 5, you're really good. So that's it. Those are the basic qualifications. Again, awards or prizes, number 1. Number 2, membership. Number 3, scholarly articles or books. Number 4, press, good press. Number 5, high salary or other remuneration. Number 6, are you employed in a critical or essential capacity? Number 7, original contributions of major significance to your company and industry. And number 8, judging. So there they are. If you're a founder, a foreign entrepreneur, was founded a company in the United States, and you could meet at least 3 of these criteria, the O-1 visa might be right for you. And it's a great one. So if you're interested, contact me at Bovino Law Group, bovinolawgroup.com, Joe at bovinolawgroup.com to express your interest. Of course, if you have any questions, I'm here. And I look forward to hearing from you. Please remember to like this video so that YouTube will push it up the rankings and people will find it who need the information. And if you're interested in more videos about immigration law or not just immigration law, but these videos are to help you really to clear a path, as we say, to your American dream. Please subscribe. Okay, that's it. Wonderful day. Cheers.